To register for summer school, start by logging in to the parent portal. Next, click More, and then Registration. Next, you are going to enter the same credentials you used to sign in to your Infinite Campus account. Then you select the student whom you would like to register for and click the plus button next to it and then register for summer school. When you get to the registration page, you will see that you have 15 minutes to complete this task. You will see your student's name and their home school, what courses they requested, when those courses take place, any fees associated with them, the name of the course, when they meet, and where they meet. There will also be transportation if it is necessary. If a class is full and not available, you will see for semester class full, and you will not be able to select that semester. If the box is checked, that means you would like to register your student for that section. If you uncheck it, that means you will not register them for it. You can click Update Totals if you would like to see the updated total fees. You can also make changes and update again. So as you continue, you can hit Continue Registration. And then there's the academic refund policy and the payment type. For that, you can pay with American Express, Discover, MasterCard, or Visa. You would fill this in with your account, your security code, just the numeric portion of your street address, your zip code, the expiration date of your card, and then click Continue Registration. When your payment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation page that includes what the courses are that were registered for, what you paid for, and that your payment has been processed. At this point, you can print your receipt and you can hit Finished if you want to sign out. When you hit Finish, it'll go back to that same student, or you can hit Exit, close window, and go to your other student if you have more than one to register them for summer school. If you have questions, you can contact your student's counselor or the technology help desk at your school.